Claude just got a major upgrade. You can now build interactive diagrams, dashboards, and tools directly in the conversation. No separate design software needed. Today I'm going to show you three powerful examples you can build right now. For yours, Claude just right. Now it can visualize. You can describe what you see. We can see some examples here, like this official Claude video here, like they are preparing some beautiful diagrams, which we can try to build by on our own. We will create couple of three skills diagrams we will create, and we'll see like how the diagrams look like. So if you see like how beautiful the UI and the diagram it generates, like it's very beautiful. It's try to replicate some shadow diagram. So let's see. I have prepared three diagrams. So one is for dark finance dashboard, and another is for MCP, and another is for Netflix system architecture. Let's try these three prompts. I just prepared it. So let me just try it. Even you can select the model as Sonnet 4.6. Or one thing to keynote is it's available in all Claude plans, including the free version as well. So you can try it out in any version. I tried it in the Sonnet 4.6, but it was little slow. It takes little time to generate. In this model it is little faster, so let's try this out. This will give you some real-time market simulation. It will create some good beautiful diagram, and it will visualize everything. So we can see it right here, right? So the index value, validity, risk level, and black swan, many things are there, the interest rates, and this UI is pretty good, right? So we can visualize it better, right? Still it's creating. So it has created this. We can just move it, and it like increase it changes the values accordingly. And if you use this, it will also change it interest rate, and then it will be the it's working perfectly fine. So it has also explained like how this works. This is pretty good, right? We are seeing this dashboard right inside the chat. If we just hover here, we will see the values also, right? So I can see the value here, like this is the index value here at this position. It's pretty good. Now let me try some another one. I will try to create some MCP structure, like MCP architecture diagram. Let's see how it goes. It will show you like how Claude connects to external tools and service. If you are a developer integrating Claude into your system, this diagram helps you understand exactly what's happening under the hood. So we can see it here, this diagram it is trying to create. MCP, this overview, still rendering. Okay, so this is the diagram. Not that good, but it's much better. Uh, just give you, can you improve this diagram? Okay, it's still creating like how it flows. The host sends a request. It has detailed description. Okay, this is pretty good, right? We don't need more further description. So it has explained everything like how this diagram works, the host to server, how the request flow goes, and how it executes the request, and the request response message structure also it has prepared, and the protocol initialization handshake. So this is right pretty good, like it is well managed and understandable. So if we want like if we want to create some good architecture diagrams instantly, we can help we can use the Claude to build those diagrams instantly right away. Now let me try this one, Netflix system architecture. I just prepared this command from Claude only, so let's try how it goes. This will help you in like understanding the Netflix architecture, like how it works overall. Or more examples you can see in this video itself, like so it is creating this video like starting the light, like how it flows, the light flows at this particular time around this area. so it shows the perfectly. And I'm graduating next week, and it is visualize the whole journey, so it is creating the whole journey here. Pretty good. Now let's see this Netflix architecture diagram. Let's see how it goes. Okay, it, oh, it's really good. So let's try to see it in the full view here. Like, okay, this is the full diagram. Like, this is the reset view, and this is the web browser, mobile app, smart TV. This is connected like this. Okay, this is pretty good architecture diagram. It has a lot of things like load balancer. Yeah, so load balancer. Yeah, pretty good at the starting level. We can refine this with the help of improving the prompts, so this will work perfectly fine. So we can see like how it works. It has created this architecture components. The level 3 is the API gateway and the load balancing layer here, from where the request will flow, and then it will go to the other microservices like search and other services. And then there is a data layer, then there is a storage layer, MongoDB and other Redis, and then there is analytics and monitoring. So pretty good. Yeah, these examples are just the beginning. What makes this powerful is that you are not limited to dashboards or architecture diagram. You can build interactive learning tools, data visualization, technical documentation, simulation, and explainer diagrams all directly inside the conversations. Even you can prepare the presentation slides perfectly as well. And instead of switching between coding tools, diagram software, and design apps, you simply describe what you want and Claude builds it. And most important thing, this is free. You can use it in the free models as well. I'm using this in the free tier version, so you can also use this one. If you want to try these examples yourselves, the prompts are in the description below. Just copy them, paste them into the Claude, and start experimenting. You can modify them, expand them, or build something completely different. If you found this useful, consider subscribing Integration Ninjas. I will be sharing more real world AI workflows and the technical details examples. And if you are curious, drop a comment below. What would you build with this feature? Thank you for watching. Have a great day.